Hi guys, it's me gaming with Faster. So today, I hope we get the Santa Claus. We already have the Blizzard box on December 1st. Blizzard box is got open already. So today, I hope we get the Santa Claus. And the first reference for bigger globe. And I think the most easiest way to unlock in Blizzard box is the gingerbread man. The most annoying uncommon in Blizzard box is holiday gift. Okay, sale time. Hot chocolate 2 times, 1 time, 0 time. My stats 73. New blue. No new blue. Holiday gift is now. It's now online time. No. Luckily. I want the first wave and tropic club. Let's wait. Okay. Let's boy. Snowman. But not Santa Claus. And Santa Claus does 1% like King, but it's hard to get it. Wait until got Santa Claus. Finally. Santa Claus. Here. Gingerbread man. Hot chocolate. Okay. Hot chocolate. No. No legendary or chroma today. Okay, let's see our time. No glow 3 times. They give 2 times. 3 times. 0 time. 1 time. 1 time. Holiday ref, you need to wait 1 minute. 1 minute later, press. Then you'll get the holiday ref. Let's wait a little longer. While we are waiting, let's buy holiday gift. Finally, the holiday ref. Faster. Oh yeah, the holiday. Okay. And grass. That's not Santa Claus. We got the snow globe and the holiday gift. And snow globe 2 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1 time, 0 time, 0 time, and 0 time. Annoying uncommon. Oh, still got 2 times to buy. The last time. What will I get? Let's wait a little longer. Wait. Let's wait, 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 wait. And now. Oh no, 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 no. Told you. Holiday. Let's refresh it. Okay. Now in this account we got a green and pink astronaut. Okay, 508. Hope we got something good. I hope we got a Santa Claus. Too unlucky. I want Santa Claus, not a snowman. Holiday gift, annoying. Snowman, snow globe, snow globe again. Holiday gift, hot chocolate, snow globe, and the last time. Hot chocolate. What? 6 times, 4 times, 5 times, annoying. Chocolate from Santa. 5 times, also annoying. 3 times, 1 time, 0 time, 2 times. Wait, from Santa. Santa. Okay. Keep on clicking. Santa. Let's keep on. I got no legendary chroma today. That's annoying holiday gift. Gingerbread house finally a rare. Gingerbread man and gingerbread house. Let's first. One time. Wait, one time. Two time hot chocolate. Not annoying, but holiday ref annoying. Three time. One time, one time, one time. I guess it's almost end. Snowman. Oh, like, it has an end. Holiday gift, hot chocolate. Holiday ref. Gingerbread man, gingerbread house, and snowman. Okay, let's speed up. Almost last one.